Hi, I'm James from the Manufacturer magazine, and I want to talk to you today about the Industrial Data Summit, which is a conference coming up in London on the 18th of April. The clue is in the name. It's about big data and manufacturing, and there'll be 120 British manufacturers joining us for this event. Now, there's loads of great speakers, there's obviously lots of important topics being covered, but what I think is really interesting, and I think is why I'm on camera today explaining to you, is the format of the event. Now, you get a traditional conference, and you're sat at the back of a room, facing one way, with limited scope to reach out to your fellow delegates, let alone speakers. Our conference format is completely different. You get the chance to choose which speakers and topics you spend time with. You can sit in small group conversations, each of which is hosted by a leading practitioner of big data from a UK manufacturer, and have half-hour sessions with your fellow manufacturers, asking the questions you need and hearing up close and personal what the experience of that speaker is. I think that the format's great. We've got loads of people signing up last week for the conference. If you are interested in seeing what's motivated them to join us for the event, why don't you click the link below me now? I'm reassured it's down below me. And you can download the brochure and see for yourself what people are talking about. So hopefully we'll see you at the conference in April. Cheers.